Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with the outlook for the holiday weekend for New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, December 31st and January 1st, 2017. We're going to start off with Saturday here, the final day of 2016, and we have it's a cold front that's going to be moving off to our west here. That's going to be moving through overnight. Now, this is not going to have very little, if any, precipitation with it. You don't see much with it to begin with, but I can't rule out a stray shower or flurry right around the time the ball drops. And you can see that in the interior here, indicating maybe a flurry possible. This is so very light on this scale. Maybe a shower here, anywhere from along the I-95 corridor from New York New York down to Philadelphia here. But not something you need to bring your umbrella for. Not a big deal. This is just a quick, spritz or a flurry possible in the overnight hours, and really only the GFS is showing much of anything. So I wouldn't really get too excited about this either way. Then we move into Sunday. Behind this cold front, there's no cold push because you have high pressure off to the south, and that's going to actually have temperatures warmer than they were on Saturday. On Sunday here. So for the first day of 2017, we're looking at mostly sunny skies, but temperatures will be above normal, probably low to mid 40s for most places, and maybe upper 40s as we head down south here for your New Year's Day. So not too bad of a weekend as far as temperatures go. And then we get into Monday, maybe actually late Sunday night into early Monday. We're going to see this high pressure that's up here off to the north. This is sitting over here over Maine. It's going to provide a little bit of cold air initially as this precipitation comes in. This is just light shower activity that we're expecting very late Sunday night into early Monday morning, but you could have some of these colder spots. Could have some cold air damming thanks to this high sitting here. We'll have to watch for that. It's going to be either way. It will be light freezing rain or drizzle, and it would just be probably under 0.05 of an inch, as it looks like right now. We'll keep monitoring that this weekend, and we'll send out any information to our private my pocket meteorologist clients if necessary. But right now, it does not look like a big deal. And then we go into Monday morning. You see the light shower. This is just the lightest on the color scale here as far as precipitation. It's just a few intermittent light showers possible anytime during the day on Monday. And then we get into Monday night, a more concentrated area of rain will come through the area that's going to go into Tuesday morning. You can see that here. This is way too warm for rain. We're going to have, for anything other than rain. We're going to have temperatures that are going to be up well into the 50s for many areas. It might even hit 60 down here in Philadelphia here on Tuesday. But most of the rain falls after midnight Monday night, the concentration of it after midnight Monday night into the first half of Tuesday, and then we get into later in the Tuesday, you can see it starts winding down and moving away. So then we get into Wednesday. We're going to have a front that's going to come through very early in the morning, and I don't expect this to be a big deal. We might have an early shower or two, just a low chance, isolated chance of that shower, maybe a flurry behind it. But this is the really cold push of air coming through here behind this cold front that's going to be lasting for a while. So we're expecting this to move in here right around the January 5th, or maybe the night of the 4th into the 5th, and then it's going to last straight through at least the 11th, maybe longer. And actually, we're arguing that it should be longer than that than the models are indicating. This is going to be interesting because since that cold air is in place, we have a couple systems that we're going to be watching toward the end of the week, and there's a couple different scenarios with this as we get into. Here's a look at the GFS. Now, don't take this for granted because this is going to change a million times before then. Just going to give you an idea. There's an opportunity for snow in the Friday through Saturday, maybe even Sunday time frame. Either one or two different waves. It's hard to tell right now exactly how that's going to evolve, but there is a storm signal that could bring significant snow to our region. Not sure if it's going to be as ominous as the picture that the European model has been showed at 12Z today. But we'll see. We'll see how this evolves. It does have potential to produce in the pattern we're going into next week. So just keep a close eye on that. We're going to get into that model analysis on Monday in our premium forum for those of you that are subscribed. And we're going to be following these storm threats, but they do have the opportunity to produce some significant snow for areas that did not see hardly any snow just yet. So we have that opportunity coming next week. So we're just going to keep an eye on that. And again, that's Friday through Sunday. It could be one consolidated storm like the or it could be several waves. It could be something coming in Friday, maybe again Saturday and Saturday night, like the European model showed at 12Z, the 12Z run on Friday. So a couple different solutions. Just keep that in the back of your mind for now because it's still too far out to really talk about specifics, but we're going to monitor that obviously closely, and we'll get into model analysis in a forum beginning on Monday. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for the holiday weekend. December 31st and January 1st, have a great and happy and prosperous new year. We'll see you again in 2017. Take care.